What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to activate Rykard's Great Rune in Elden Ring. So Rykard is the boss of the Volcano Manor, and if you don't have his Great Rune activated, what it does is it increases your health, or it gives you health back when you kill enemies. So it's great for clearing areas, but kind of trash for boss fights. So take that as you will, but if you want to unlock all the Great Runes or activate them all, you're going to want to do this one. So you want to come to this outer wall phantom tree, site of grace here, right at the entrance of the capital. Let's go to it. I already was here, but anyways. So we load in here. You're gonna want to hop on the horse and immediately follow this left-hand side. So we're gonna end up going to this sealed tunnel. We're gonna follow a ravine down here that allows us to come all the way to this sealed tunnel. It's gonna teleport us to this tower, and that's where we activate the Great Rune. So that's basically it. We're here at the bonfire, get on torrent, and then just follow along this left hand side. So just sprint. Make sure you don't sprint off the edge, but if you look now with your camera, you'll be able to see we can actually just come down along this side. Perfect. And now we can just sprint past all this stuff down here because it doesn't really matter. Mosquitoes, shit in the lake, whatever. Goodbye. And here's the sealed tunnel entrance. Cool. So now we're in here. There's a site of grace right here, which is good. And here is the wall that you want to break. So we have to clear this sealed tunnel, and then it'll lead us to the Great Rune. So I'll leave this in the recording. Maybe I'll cut some of it. We'll see. But I'm going to go through it now. Alright, so we're at the elevator here. You can just ride the elevator all the way down. I was just looting some items. You'd probably want to grab that bell bearing that I grabbed there because very good stuff. And you can clear the area here. But the bell bearing lets you buy more items from the spawn lady, the vendor in spawn. Clear all this crap. And then to get over here, you just want to jump. You make it over this, no problem. These things explode, so be careful. Don't eat it like I just did. And then we can just go underneath. Right, it was not here. Sorry about that. That is where we cleared the illusory wall. And check it out, we're making our way. All we have to do is now jump down here, jump down here, down there, and now we made it safe without taking fall damage. Grab that golden rune. Making our way. And now we have a boss. This boss is pretty easy. I'm gonna kill him real quick. Have a seat, my friend. Yeah, this sword is very overpowered. Okay, you get his weapon, and now you can just either go back to the entrance, which I don't recommend you do. You can just keep going, and this is how you activate the rune, the Great Rune. Check out where we are on the map now. So this site of grace is called Divine Tower of West Altus Gate. So if you ever Google this, if you want to know how to get to this, that is the guide to get to the Divine Tower of West Altus Gate, and this is for Rykard's Great Rune. So let's go through the entrance now and activate this Great Rune. Let's go up the elevator. There's another site of grace up here as well. I forgot about that. This one is called the Divine Tower of West Altus. Right, so that's not the gate, that is just the tower itself. And this is where the actual rune is. Go up the stairs, and that must look familiar. Look at that. We can now activate or restore the power of the Great Rune. Boom. Great Rune restored, Rykard's Great Rune. Now, if you check out your Great Runes, you have to go to a bonfire, so let's do that. Let's go back to this one. Let's try this out. So we can go Great Runes, and then replace the current one, and you can see restore HP upon defeating enemies. Yes, let's do it. So now, if I pop up Rune Arc, I will now have this ability, which is great. Except let's go test it out on an enemy. So let me go back to the sealed tunnel entrance, and we'll fight one of those guys at the start over there. And we'll see I can restore some HP. Alright, so he hits me. You see I lost some HP, and I just gained it back. Also, this sword heals me as well, so not a great representation there. Let me use something else. Let's use this one. Now with this Great Rune active, if I kill him, you see I healed there. I can use it on these guys too, and I'll just heal. So the sword was also healing me, which is like kind of unfair, but you just saw that healed me right there. So yeah, guys, that's Rykard's Great Rune. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Sorry, I stumbled a bit through this cave, lost my way at certain steps, but still found my way pretty quick. So drop any questions you got in the comments. Drop a like if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.